it's Miranda. Today I have this month's BOXY charm unboxing / haul for you guys. So yeah, let's jump right into it. First, I open it up and this comes out of it. This just tells me what I got and what it's worth. So I'm really excited for this box because it comes with brushes for sure and then some other cool little things. The first thing I got is the Moda Powder and Soft Glow brushes. And these retail for $29.99. And then we also got the Wander Beauty Liftoff Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. And this one retails for $34. It says containing a blend of skin-loving acai, goji berry, blueberry, lychee, mangosteen, and green tea leaf extracts. The Wander Beauty Lift-Off Purifying and Brightening Peel-Off Mask instantly purifies and replenishes dull skin. Excess oils and impurities are drawn out and absorbed by kaolin clay, minimizing the appearance of enlarged pores. This rose gold skin-saving peel-off mask dries quickly and peels off effortlessly, revealing a smoother, clearer, and brighter complexion. So I'm definitely excited to try this. The next thing in here is this Ofra liquid lipstick in the shade Monaco. And this retails for $20. It says that it's a full lip color that does not feather. They are creamy and soft in texture, moisturizing the lips and creating a soft, long-lasting lipstick effect. And then I got this Appeal liquid eyeshadow, and this retails for $21. The liquid formula adds a multi-dimensional shimmer to your eye look, giving that sparkle that looks almost unachievable. And then the last thing that I got is this Cover FX Perfector face palette in light medium. It's got 2 highlighters, a contour, a blush, a brightener, and a finishing powder. And this retails for $45. So everything in this box retails for $150, and I pay $20 or $22 a month for this. I am so obsessed with this subscription box. It's the best thing ever, and I love being able to try new things without going out and spending full price on them, so that is awesome. I'm so excited to try all these things out. So yeah, I really liked what came in this month's box. I get excited every month whenever I realize that I'm getting a new one, so let me know if you like these kind of videos, and I'll keep doing them every month whenever I get my BOXY charm in the mail. If you don't like them, let me know what you do want to see. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell icon to notify you whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
You sing out your